This is Judy. Today is Sunday. It's really hot in Changsha, but our factory is working the whole day. Today we have a shipment for our Africa market. There are 8 sets of the 30 cubic meters shipped to Africa market. So let's see the workshop our workers is going on. This order is customization for our Africa market. Here we have 8 pieces of the oxygen plant ready for ship. And we already take 1 month to finish this order and ship to the Africa market. We hope our oxygen plant to help our Africa market to get more economy and more purity oxygen. Thanks for all. This oxygen plant will be shipped by the container. And today our worker is really busy for this shipment. Today is the temperature around 40 degrees in Changsha. It's really hot, but don't worry, we'll be ready for shipment for you and for Africa. Okay, let's see. This container is already finished, ready for shipment. Okay, let's go.